Welcome to Infinite Mind Potential, where we explore the depths of human capability and the ancient wisdom of the warrior spirit. Centuries ago, legendary swordsman Miyamoto Musashi retreated into the solitary Reigando cave to write his final masterpiece, the Book of Five Rings. He understood that true mastery requires total isolation, a period of deep reflection where the warrior sharpens his mind like a blade. Today, we call this the Winter Arc, a 90-day period where you disappear from the noise to reconstruct your entire reality. While the rest of the world slows down and hibernates, you will use this season to build an unshakable foundation for success. This is not a vacation. It is a spiritual gymnasium where you will forge a new identity through discipline and relentless effort. Just as steel is tempered by fire and extreme pressure, your character must be tested to reveal its true and hidden potential. The first pillar of this transformation is Disciplined Invisibility, which requires you to cut all unnecessary ties with the outside world immediately. You must silence the constant noise of social validation and digital distractions to reclaim the mental energy that is rightfully yours. This is the time to embrace solitude, for it is in the quiet moments that you can finally hear your own thoughts clearly. Think of yourself as a ghost, present in your work, but absent from the trivial gatherings that drain your time and spirit. While others waste their evenings in meaningless conversations, you are investing every second into building a future that they can only dream of. Your friends may wonder where you have gone, but do not answer them, for your results will speak louder than any explanation. Like a seed buried in the dark earth, you are not dead. You are simply preparing to rise stronger than ever before. Learn to say no without guilt, because every yes to a distraction is a no to your ultimate purpose and life goals. Now we enter the second pillar, the sunrise victory, which demands you wake up before the sun to conquer the day. There is a sacred power in the early hours, a silence that belongs only to those with the discipline to claim it. When you wake up while the world sleeps, you establish a psychological edge, knowing you are working while your competition is dreaming. This is your time for strategic planning, allowing you to design your day proactively rather than reacting to the demands of others. Musashi knew that the warrior who controls the morning controls the battle, setting the rhythm that others are forced to follow. Use this quiet hour to visualize your success, feeding your mind with ambition before the chaos of the world tries to intrude. By the time the sun rises, you have already achieved more than most people will accomplish in their entire day of work. To harden your spirit, we adopt the ritual of misogi, using the shock of cold water to purify the body and mind. This is not about hygiene. It is a daily battle against your own comfort zone, forcing you to embrace voluntary suffering. The cold water triggers a panic response, and your job is to override that instinct, remaining calm within the eye of the storm. Ancient warriors used waterfalls to clear their minds of fear. You will use the cold shower to sharpen your mental armor daily. When you step out of the cold, you feel a rush of dopamine and a sense of victory that carries you forward. Beyond the mental benefits, this practice strengthens your immune system and circulation, preparing your physical vessel for the demands of the arc. Do this every single morning, and you will teach your brain that you are the master of your impulses, not the slave. Next, we move to warrior meditation, which rejects the idea of sitting comfortably and instead finds peace within extreme physical stress. Instead of sitting on a cushion, hold a plank or a difficult pose until your body screams at you to stop immediately. In this moment of pain, your goal is to control your breath and detach your mind from the suffering of the body. Musashi taught that the mind must remain flat and calm, even in the heat of battle, unaffected by external chaos or pain. If you can find peace while your muscles are burning, you will be able to handle any high-pressure situation in life. This practice builds a callus over your mind, making you resilient against the stress and anxiety that breaks weaker individuals. Recovery is sweet only after true exertion. Utilize this warrior meditation to prove to yourself that you can endure hard things. The final pillar of the Winter Arc is single-minded focus, the art of channeling all your energy into one massive goal. You cannot chase two rabbits at once. You must choose the one objective that will have the greatest impact on your life. Diffused energy creates weak results, but concentrated energy acts like a laser beam, capable of cutting through any obstacle in your way. For 90 days, this one goal becomes your obsession. The first thing you think of in the morning, and the last at night. Surround yourself with reminders of your mission, so that your subconscious mind is constantly working on solutions, even when you are resting. Dedicate blocks of deep work to this singular purpose, eliminating multitasking, which is the enemy of true productivity and excellence. Ignore what others are doing with their lives. Your only competition is the version of yourself that existed yesterday. Trust the process of compounding effort. Small daily actions focused on one direction will yield massive results by the end of winter. As you move through the first month, the novelty will wear off, and the real test of your discipline will begin. There will be days when you want to quit, when the cold seems too harsh and the isolation feels too lonely. Remember Musashi in the cave. Greatness is not born in comfort. It is forged in the fires of adversity and persistence. By day 60, the habits will start to become automatic, and you will begin to see a new version of yourself emerging. The pain of discipline weighs ounces, while the pain of regret weighs tons. Choose your burden wisely during this transformation period. You are breaking out of your old shell, shedding the limiting beliefs and weak habits that have held you back for years. When day 90 arrives, you will not be the same person who started this journey 3 months ago in the cold. You will emerge from your winter arc not just rested, but reconstructed, armed with a focus and discipline that few possess. The world will ask for your secret, but you will know that there is no secret, only the consistent application of discipline. Like Musashi leaving the cave with his masterpiece, you will return to society with your own victory, ready to conquer new heights. Remember the path. Isolation, early rising, cold therapy, warrior meditation, and single-minded focus are your tools for ultimate success. Do not let this video be just another piece of content you consume. Let it be the spark that ignites your action. The winter arc begins the moment you decide to commit. Do not wait for the perfect time, for it will never come. Start today, start now, and promise yourself that you will not stop until the 90 days are fully complete. Your future self is pleading with you to do the work today so that tomorrow can be filled with freedom and power. Imagine the pride you will feel looking back at this season of your life as the turning point that changed everything. One day of discipline sparks a fire. 90 days of discipline creates an inferno that burns through any obstacle in your life. The potential of your mind is infinite, but it remains locked until you find the key through struggle and voluntary hardship. Walk the path of the solitary warrior, and you will find that the strength you sought was within you all along. This is your winter arc. Make it count, make it painful, and make it the reason you finally succeed in life. Just as Musashi left us his wisdom in a book, you will write your own legacy through your actions and results. The screen will fade soon, but your reality is just beginning. Do not click away to the next video without committing. Discipline is not a restriction. It is the only true path to freedom, liberating you from the chains of your impulses. Rise above the mediocrity of the masses and claim your place among the few who dare to master their own minds. 90 days is a short time in a lifetime, but it is long enough to change the entire trajectory of your destiny. Find comfort in the cold, find peace in the pain, and find your true self in the silence of the winter. The cave is waiting for you. Enter it with courage, and you will leave it with wisdom and power beyond measure. If you are ready to start your winter arc, comment "I am ready" below, and subscribe to join our community of warriors. Check out our other videos to deepen your understanding of mindset and strategy, continuing your education on the path to greatness. Thank you for watching Infinite Mind Potential. We provide the map, but only you can walk the path to your destiny. Go now and begin your journey, for the winter is here, and your time to rise has finally come. Stay disciplined,